We're here at
The Isha
thank
Foundation.
you, Isha Foundation. I said it wrong. I think I said Aisha before, and it's not. It's Isha,
Isha Foundation in McMinnville, Tennessee, on this yoga retreat.
and it's fantastic. And
like it?
and I just want to be honest because we're about honesty, and since we're cats on a mission, one of the cats has to be honest about an addiction that I just found out about this morning. Actually, not this morning. It was
At
30
1:30.
minutes. Yeah, at 1:30 to be exact.
1:33. Okay,
Just
1:33.
32 be in 10 seconds. Okay, so here's how it goes, people. I'm mortified, but I live a real high octane life, and we're here really to see kind of the centering and what it would feel like, not just yoga in terms of stretching, but centering. And we found that out this morning in a wonderful class that we did. Which we'll tell you more about later. We can't very much, we can't do a lot around a video around the grounds here because they prefer that we don't, but we're in the room and doing it. Okay, so here's the addiction. I'm coasting around it. Caffeine addiction. And I hadn't realized it because here they don't allow, I think it was caffeine or no alcohol, no tea, no caffeinated tea, no coffee, caffeinated coffee. And I was doing quite well until right around 12:45, and this sharp shooting, wonderful pain came through the back of my head while I was meditating. This is what happened. And Kat's like, we're going to go to the front desk. I'm like, no, we are not going to the front desk. And you said, I will go to the front desk.
Yes.
And then I said, well, wouldn't that make me a wimp? So I said, I will go to the front desk.
It worked.
And it worked. And here's the deal. The headache disappeared within, 20 minutes? Not even?
Because the front desk had instant Taster's Choice coffee.
Thank God for Taster's Choice.
And it smelled wonderful. And
Matter of fact, it smelled so much that even the other people there who actually work and live here, who do not, they're not
they're-
addicted
they've
to
claimed-
caffeine.
Yeah, they have no addictions. Lucky them.
Yeah, lucky them. They're like, I smell real coffee. I'm like, oh no, I'm the culprit. I'm trying to be over here in the corner and not be obvious. Anyway, so guys, that's just my way of being very honest about my world and who I am. And I say a high octane life because day to day I do drink a great deal of caffeine, and now I realize that great deal needs to be tempered. So we'll talk about it. You think we should? The reason I keep going to the left is I'm holding the camera up here. Do you think we should do a cat box about it?
Caffeine? Yeah, absolutely. I
Effects
mean,
of caffeine?
Yeah, I mean,
Ooh,
on the
okay.
adrenal glands and all kinds of different things. So effects of any addiction, of dependence.
Yeah, we know now that Kat is not addicted to caffeine. She did quite well and still hasn't had caffeine and is not this, because that's what I was. She's
Yeah.
like, you will have a cup of coffee. I'm
Yes.
like, okay.
Yes.
Anyways, guys, we will talk to you real soon.
Peace out.
We're having a great time here, and we'll have so much to talk to you about as soon as we get back.
Yes.
Yay! Love
Later.
y'all. Ciao, ciao for
Bye.
now.